Hello everyone guys, no, ayan, at dahil sa mainit na panahon guys, no, at halika kayo, samahan nyo ako dito sa ating pamamasyal at swimming, no, dito sa Villa Luisa Palm Garden Resort. Dito lamang yan sa Hirona, Tarlac, no, ayan. So dahil mainit ang panahon, so we are decided to come and have a swimming, no, at dahil sobrang init talaga ng panahon guys, so dito lamang yan guys, no, sa Villa Luisa. Ayan, so nag-ano na tayo ng ating entrance fee dyan, no, so nakikita nyo meron tayong sponsor. Ayan, ang aking dalawang anak, no, at ang aking hipag, ayan, Miss Lorenza Velasquez Yunico, no, na siya lagi ang ating sponsor sa mga ganitong panahon. Ayan, so kasama ko ang aking mga pamangkin, no, ayan, si Jean malapit na rin uuwi, no, papuntang Zamboanga, ang aking dalawang anak, no, ayan. So ito na ngayon guys, papasok na tayo ngayon. So ayan, sa bungad pa lang guys, makikita nyo na napakaganda ng lugar, no, at talagang mag-i-enjoy ka, no. Solid ang ating ibabayad, no, sa resort na ito. So ayan, so maraming mga guests dyan. So dito pa lang sa entrance, mamamangha ka na sa ganda ng Villa Luisa Resort. Ayan, so so papunta tayo ngayon, no, iikutin natin ang paligid ng Villa Luisa. At ayan, so nakikita natin na dito pa lamang sa entrance, mamamangha ka na talaga sa ganda ng garden nila, no, sa kanilang entrance. Ayan, so maraming mga ano dyan, maraming mga animes. Ayan, so yan, meron silang mga convention hall, no, na kung saan pwede tayo mag-sit ng ating mga conference meetings and other celebration, no, like wedding or birthday. Ayan, so dito lamang yan guys, no. Ayan, meron silang pavilion, no, dyan sa Villa Luisa na yan. So ayan, nagpiprepare sila kasi meron siguro silang tanggap na celebration. So ayan, so yan ang kanilang convention hall, no. Ayan, so makikita nyo ang ganda ng place talaga guys, no, at talagang napaka-convenient ng kanilang place, no, at ma-attract, ma-amaze ka sa bawat sulok na yung makikita, no, sa ganda ng kanilang sa kanilang creations, no, na mga structures, no. So ayan yung kanilang swimming pool para sa mga bata, no, kung saan merong bubong dyan na hindi ka masyadong maiinitan. So ayan, so habang umiikot tayo dito sa loob, no, ikutin natin ng kabuuan nitong Villa Luisa Resort, no. Ayan. So guys, no, while roving around, no, as you can see the park, no, of this Villa Luisa Resort, and we have to get in here, no, to make more captures, no, from this beautiful park of Villa Luisa Resort, no, where all the guests are enjoy swimming, no. So this is the pool where the deep water of the pool is for the adults, no. Ayan, so you can enjoy jumping there, no. Ayan, so and the other side guys, there is another pool, no. So before anything else, there are stores here where you can buy foods, no, or snacks after swimming. So they have also a band, no, a live band of the Di4 who are performing here at Villa Luisa Resort, no. And this is the wide space of pool where all the people can swim there, no, while seeing the Di4 band there, no. Ayan, So as we go around, no, iikotin natin. They have the Funland, no, which is a very beautiful place, no, for the kids, no, to swim there. Ayan. So these are their cottages, no, from the Funland. Yan. So they are the structures of beautiful princess, no, like Cinderella and Snow White, no. Ayan. So this is the Funland, guys, no. So ayan, so habang nag-iikot-ikot tayo dito, iniikot natin ng mabuti, no, kasi this is the first time coming here, no. So ayan, na-amaze ako sa ganda ng ganda ng place, no, kasi yung structures nila is talagang napaka-fantastic, no. Pang Disneyland talaga ang dating. So ayan. So ito yung pool na para sa mga kids, no. Bawal yung mga may edad na dyan, no, kasi pang bata naman siya talaga. So Funland nga siya. So there, guys, no, I have given you a short tour for this Villa Luisa Farm Garden Resort, no. And when times like this, no, every summer or any occasion, guys, no, you can visit Villa Luisa for your reservations, no. You can contact them, no, through their page and by coming in here, no, at Hirona Tarlac, no. And they have more fun, and they have more rooms or hotels there, no. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching.